In this video, I will explain what electromagnetic waves are and how they behave. You will learn about their properties and how they play a role in our daily lives. Electromagnetic waves are waves that move through space and transport energy. They are created when electrically charged particles accelerate. These waves consist of electric and magnetic fields that influence each other. They spread at the speed of light and do not require a medium like air or water to propagate. Electromagnetic waves are formed when electrons move in an electric field. This movement generates a spreading magnetic field, which in turn generates an electric field. Thus, a wave is created that spreads through space. The fields are always perpendicular to each other and to the direction in which the wave moves. Electromagnetic waves propagate at a speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second. This speed is also the speed of light in a vacuum. Since electromagnetic waves do not require matter, they also move through empty space. This fast propagation is an important factor for communication and information exchange. There are various types of electromagnetic waves that differ in their wavelength and frequency. Some of the most well-known are light waves, radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays. Each of these wave types has specific properties and is used in different fields of technology. The energy carried by a wave also depends on its frequency. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive points of a wave that are in the same phase. For electromagnetic waves, the wavelength can be very large or very small. A longer wavelength generally means a lower frequency and lower energy. Short wavelengths, on the other hand, have a high frequency and carry more energy. The frequency of a wave indicates how often the wave repeats in a given time span. It is measured in hertz, where 1 hertz corresponds to 1 repetition per second. A high frequency means the waves occur very quickly in succession. Low frequencies mean the waves are slower and repeat less frequently. Electromagnetic waves are indispensable in our daily lives. For example, they are used in mobile phones, microwave ovens, and televisions. Electromagnetic waves are also used in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to transfer data. Without these waves, many modern technologies would not be possible. The measurement of electromagnetic waves is often done with special devices that can determine the wavelength and frequency. Sometimes, the intensity and energy of the waves are also measured. There are different measuring instruments, such as spectrum analyzers, that help in accurately examining the properties of the waves. Although electromagnetic waves are useful for many applications, they can also be dangerous. Some waves, like X-rays and UV rays, can damage body tissue. Particularly strong electromagnetic fields, such as those near high-voltage power lines, can also pose health risks. Therefore, it is important to minimize contact with certain types of waves.